Hey everybody, this is Mattie here with Altcoin Buzz with you on this Sunday. Hope you're having a very nice one and a great weekend and a wonderful Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mums out there in the Altcoin Buzz army, and hope you're happy because check this out, Bitcoin is still sitting at over $7,100. We're on the heels now of this major uptrend, but prices seem to be supported right now. So we'll take a look at everything sort of after the fact. Bitcoin here passed $7,000 and it went as high as $7,400, possibly $500, depending on the data, as most cryptocurrencies see double-digit growth. Luke is going to take us through some of the analysis here on altcoinbuzz.io. Then you have other people, certain CEOs of Morgan Creek Capital, that are saying Bitcoin could go as high as $400,000. We'll let you know about their opinions there. On newsbtc.com, crypto markets surge as Bitcoin nears $7,000. They ask the question, is Altseason upon us? Possibly. dailyhodl.com, we have this piece, crypto influencer bets on Bitcoin at $500,000, plus news about Ripple, XRP, Ethereum, Litecoin, Tron, Cardano, and IOTA. Some of that news that we teased yesterday about Abra is something we'll take a look at today with this article by Chris. Abra adds support for thousands of banks. But let's begin here with a snapshot of the market. As I mentioned, things are still up. Total market cap at $212 billion, up 1.8%, and Bitcoin still sitting above $7,000 at $7,113 at the time of this recording. The biggest winner since yesterday's video seems to be Bitcoin Cash, up 10% and at about $350 per unit. So needless to say, we're pretty excited about it here at Altcoin Buzz IO, celebrating the fact that it is over $7,300. And it's not just the fact that it went over $7,000, it went over the previous resistance at about $6,700, $6,800, but the fact that it went up with authority and went up so quickly, there's something to be said about that. So there's a certain sentiment in the air right now. There's a certain energy and electricity that's just starting to buzz in the air. That's our sense anyways. We're not sure whether you guys agree, but let us know your thoughts in the comments below as always. Taking a look at the breakdown here with this article by Luke, Bitcoin briefly passed $7,000 as most cryptocurrencies see double-digit growth. Bitcoin again surged in price today, seeing a rise of more than 8%, climbing to $7,000. It's even higher than that now, a new high since September 5th of 2018. Quite unbelievably, the cryptocurrency market increased by a stunning $20 billion over the past 24 hours. Bitcoin continued the exponential rise of the last weeks and even passed $7,000, reaching an 8-month high. During a bullish momentum this morning, Bitcoin rallied from 64 to 6,800 in only a few hours. After that, major crypto assets like Ethereum, Litecoin, and EOS started recording double-digit growth, mostly in the range of 10 to 14%, as you can see here by the snapshot that we provide. And as we mentioned yesterday, the absolute winners are definitely Cardano, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Cardano increased 19%, Bitcoin Cash rallied about 16%, and Litecoin saw a 15% price increase. With Bitcoin trading above 6,800, this will most likely be the official end of the bear market that has been controlling the crypto market since January of 2018. Now, of course, that's not financial advice, and that's just Luke's opinion, but a lot of people seem to be saying that the fact that we've been climbing, again, so quickly and with authority, with confidence, it says something about what may be possible next. We're not guaranteeing anything, we're not promising anything, but that does seem to be the sentiment, at least a little bit. Let us know your thoughts about that in the comments below. And some people are much more optimistic here. Bitcoin price could go as high as $400,000, according to Morgan Creek Capital CEO article also by Luke. So Mark Yusko, the founder, CEO, and chief investment officer of Morgan Creek Capital Management, gave a stunning prediction for the future of Bitcoin. In an interview on Thursday, CEO and chief investment officer of Morgan Creek Capital, Mark Yusko, stated that the Bitcoin price could go as high as $400,000. He made an appearance on Blocks Live TV, and Yusko talked about his bold Bitcoin price predictions. Yusko said in an interview with Bitcoin Magazine NL in April that a Bitcoin could one day in the future be worth as much as $400,000. He said the following, quote, Gold has been hard money for 5,000 years. It's about $7.4 trillion in value, total market cap, that is. The best thing about Bitcoin is it's digital gold. It's much easier to transport. It's much easier to divide. It has all of these essential qualities that I think are superior to gold. If we get the amount of value equal to gold, that would be about 7.4 trillion. So divide that by 21 million coins. That's the total circulation that Bitcoin will ever be. And you get about $400,000 per coin, maybe $500,000 per coin. When does that happen? It might be a decade or more from now. So apparently, according to Yusko's claims, there is a high probability that within a decade, Bitcoin will reach the market cap of gold, which currently stands again at about $7.4 trillion. This isn't some number that he pulled out of the sky. This actually makes sense to me. And many people are saying that given the versatility of Bitcoin, given the relative security of Bitcoin, it would not be unreasonable to assume that one day it will compare to gold's market cap. And if you just take that market cap and you divide it by the total circulation, the total number of Bitcoins, hey, the number checks out. What can I say? Looking at 2019, Luke writes, Bitcoin and the overall cryptocurrency market had a very good run. Bitcoin has had a good run in 2019 as it just crossed the $7,000 mark. This after the Bitcoin price dropped as low as $3,150 in December of 2018. So up over 100% since that mark just a few months ago. If the Bitcoin price can keep up this level, we have for sure entered a bull market. And if you guys are interested in checking out Mark Yusko's full interview on Blocks Live TV, the link is available here for you to check out. DailyHodl.com offers another take on Mark Yusko's predictions. Crypto influencer bets on Bitcoin at $500,000 plus a whole bunch of updates. So if you're interested on getting another take as to what Mark Yusko had to say, again, very bullish, very optimistic, very forward thinking, then check out this article in full here. Plus you get updates on Ethereum, XRP, Tron, IOTA, Litecoin, and Cardano, again, which we identified as the big winner in these past 36 or so hours. And finally today with this article on altcoinbuzz.io, Abra adds support for thousands of banks. Article here by Chris. Abra has added support for thousands of US banks and have the ability to withdraw over 30 cryptocurrencies from the app with depositing coming soon. In case you haven't heard of it, Abra is a cryptocurrency wallet/investment app where users can purchase over 30 different cryptocurrencies. And yesterday, the company announced that users will now be able to connect their accounts with thousands of US banks. While US and EU users have been able to fund their wallets through a bank transfer, they will now be able to directly connect their banks. In addition, users will be able to withdraw Digibyte, Doge, Dash, BAT, NEO, ZEX, OMG, Quantum, VTC, ZEC, GNT, Strat, REP, and SNT, in addition to the other coins already on the platform. Depositing those cryptocurrencies will soon be available according to the company, but no date has been provided just yet. Quote, the addition of these new liquidity enhancements in our app gives users more ways to move between crypto and fiat. That is according to Bill Bardet, CEO of Abra. Earlier in 2019, the company announced that users will be able to buy fractions of traditional investments using Bitcoin. Users in over 155 countries will be able to invest in stocks and ETFs with a minimum of only $5. Another quote by Bill Bardet, we are building Bitcoin-backed investment products because for the first time, we can truly democratize access to investment opportunities at a global scale. It shouldn't matter where you live or how much you earn to be able to make investments and participate in capital markets. So keep an eye on Abra. They are certainly making waves. If you'd like to read more about what they're doing, you can check out here, finance.yahoo.com. Crypto wallet Abra adds in-app support for thousands of US banks. I think that's a pretty big deal personally. So with that, everybody, I think we're just about wrapped up with the news. Do be sure you're following us on all the regular social media and keep checking back into this homepage. It's our website, altcoinbuzz.io. That's where we provide all the updates and news as it becomes available. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead, like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to receive notifications. Best of luck if you choose to invest on this Sunday. But happy Mother's Day once again to all the mothers out there in the Altcoin Buzz army. You are the greatest. If you are not a mother listening to this, then go out there, give your mom a phone call, give her a hug, give her a kiss, take her out for lunch, dinner, whatever it may be. But happy Mother's Day to everybody out there, all members of the Altcoin Buzz army. And as always, we do hope to see you again in our next video. Take care.